Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove starred emails in Gmail. Managing your inbox can get overwhelming, but starving important emails helps keep things neat and ensure you can find key messages quickly. Let's break it down step by step. Imagine you're scanning your inbox and spot an email you want to revisit. Maybe it's a client message needing a detailed reply or an important update from your boss. To mark it as important, look for the faint star icon, usually on the left side next to the email. Simply click that star icon once and it will turn yellow. This means your email is now starred. The little check bookmarks your email for quick access later. When you want to review your starred emails, just head to the starred folder in your Gmail left sidebar. Here, all your starred emails are gathered in one place, making it super easy to focus on what matters most. Now, what if you have addressed that email and no longer need it starred? Go to your starred folder or back to your inbox, find the email and click the star icon again. The star will disappear and the email will return to your inbox view. Keeping your starred list current. By adding and removing stars, you can effortlessly prioritize your emails and keep your inbox tidy. Thanks for watching. If you found the guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.